How you doing? This is Mr. Braboy, and this is titles and contracts. We want to make sure that you understand that we are not about scamming people or about doing something that will cause our business to be in court. Um, I am straightforward about what it is that I do. I love what I do. I love talking to people about it. I love to explain to people that once your name is on the title, then when a deal goes through, depends on what position that you are in, you can be paid for that particular deal. You are part of the process. You are part of the group. You are part of the business model that is controlling the sale of the process. There are people who are into real estate, like I was when I started, and they're on the title. They're either through the brokerage company or they're through the title company or they're working with the appraisals or something of that nature or with the inspectors. Somewhere on that truth in lending statement or on that statement that you are signing at the title company is slots that are to be paid. So the contracts on the front end of the contract is what's transferred over to the addendum in the title. So if we've come to some agreements based upon percentages, if we come to some agreements based upon our timeline, things that are based upon how much we are to pay for utilization costs and things of that nature. We may have to give ourselves some time just in case we have some issues with zoning. All of that is in the contract. So in this portion, I am just explaining that there is different phases to making sure that a deal goes through. Like I've always said to people who are in the membership, remember that there's always deals happening. So you should pay attention to your direct messages, pay attention to your emails, just in case someone decides that they want to change direction or someone decides they want to perhaps add on something to the deal or perhaps uh, um, give a bonus or a benefit to the people who signed up. Um, all of these things go through contracts and titles. So this is a moving business. Everything is always moving. I believe that doing good deals is all about moving forward and figuring out how to get those deals closed and how to get those properties purchased and to continue to move and continue to do what it is that you are slotted to do. A strong team is what is needed in order to make this all come true and to make sure that everybody is prepared for the closings. Um, I just wanted to explain contracts and titles. All right, this is Mr. Braboy. I'll talk to you later.